everybody, Frank and Carrie.
Hey, welcome back.
We're actually coming to you from the Mooreland House for a little while because we have a special treat for you today.
Yes, we do.
We're a DIY couple that bought this old abandoned mansion. It was in really bad shape. It still is in bad shape, but it was in really bad shape. And we're DIYing it up.
Yes, we are.
So, but today has nothing to do with the Mooreland House, so
not at all.
People that don't like that kind of thing, you might tune out.
Right.
It's just tree work today, right?
Yeah, we showed you all in an intro in a past video of the tree that fell and damaged our deck at our house that we live in. And so this is Frank demonstrating his tree climbing skills.
Yay! And cutting.
And that's what this is about. It's just us taking down all the foliage off of this great big tall beautiful tree, which it was very sad to see come down. But
showing some of the stuff that happens. Life happens, so
right.
We had to do some things other than the Mooreland House for a little while.
We did.
We're back to it.
So
Ish.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by.
All right, have a good day.
Thanks for watching. Just what are you doing?
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Well, we have a tree to cut down.
Yeah?
So at one time I was big into tree cutting. And I ordered way too much stuff, which is always fun.
So
I'm trying to figure out what I have.
It looks like a lot. You got carabiners and straps.
Those are carabiners.
What are those?
These are snap hooks. They're safety, so they can't get pushed in. See?
Yeah.
So you throw this around the tree limb.
Yeah.
And put it through there or whatever you do, and then stick that on the rope, and it's easier to do than tying every single one.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, we got that. Is that a new Porter wrap rope?
No, this is a sling. It's sort of like a Porter wrap slipper. It's like a Chinese finger torture.
Okay.
And you decide where, I guess this one isn't like finger torture. This one you just decide where you want to put it through, and then that's around the tree, and then you have a place to put your rope through so you don't chafe your rope.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
Yeah.
That's the same, the orange braidedness is a lot like the Porter wrap.
Yeah.
Porter wrap's what you put around the tree, and you wrap the rope around 1, 2, 3, and then I can hold the branch up and slowly thing. And that is a very cool hat.
Fancy helmet.
There is a lot of windows in this house.
What else do we got? This is a fib kit where you can put ropes together. Some more small ropes.
Yeah.
I don't know what all I have. These are so I can make prussics and stuff. There's some carabiners in there. More rings. More rings. This is the throwing kit.
Yeah.
Oh, and I have for the beanbag. So this opens up somewhere. It's all fancy. There's an opening somewhere. There it is. Oh, it's even got sawdust in it from last time. And then here's the beanbag.
And you just put that on there, and you use that for what?
To get up in the tree. To get the rope up in the tree. But since last time I did this, I wasn't strong enough to get the rope up in the tree. I thought, I've seen them do slingshots. Now I got a slingshot too.
Yeah.
But I've had it for quite a while. Never used it.
Yeah.
Because Carrie bought a castle.
I did. Yeah, so that room is the staging room for all the stuff we get for the castle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And whatever.
yeah, the castle kind of has taken over the dining room.
So I'm trying to figure out what all I have.
Yeah.
I never did find
Ropes and rope bags and ropes and
somewhere
rope
I have
bags.
a rope grab. I hope it's on that stuff. And
These are your spikes. I saw those in there.
these are the brand new ones.
Yeah.
Gecko.
Yeah. Now, you don't want to ever use spikes on a tree that you want to keep, because it will kill the tree. Hopefully those are more comfortable than those others.
I doubt it. If you're standing on that for 8 hours, it's not going to be comfortable. Unless you have a steel shank boot or something.
Yeah, that's true.
Climbing boots. There it is. There's one of my...
Rope grabs.
This is an ankle. So strap this around your boot and use this to go up with your ankle.
It only goes in one direction, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
This is my old spikes.
Those others seem flatter.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just glad I'm here. And I have a pair of slip-on chainsaw chaps.
They're aren't
Chainsaw pants. These are chaps.
we each have a pair, but Frank let me use the chainsaw one time and said, I don't think so.
Even with chaps, I wasn't. She didn't seem
I'd never.
very confident. Is all.
No, I was not very confident, but it was my first time ever using one. So
Alrighty.
lots of things for him to sort through.
Try to remember how things work.
Yep, and we've got wedges
I
here.
got the Tree Climber's Companion, evidently.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
thought I paid for that.
Yeah.
Shows how to make knots.
You even have a book on just knots. Minnie, did he scare you?
Some clevis pins. Tie some big stuff on them.
Yeah.
Rings.
But lots of stuff to figure out so that we can safely
This is what happens if you get too close to your...
chainsaw.
No, the chainsaw got too close to this.
That's what I mean. We're always looking for safety first, second, and third. That's why you see
As much
all these-
safety as we feel like doing.
well, yeah.
Safe enough is the right word, I think.
So, oh, Frank's turning into a lumberjack. He's got his spikes on, he's got his saddle on, he's getting his helmet on. He's got his ropes up in the tree already. I know it's hard to see. That's what we're working on. Got the dump trailer, got the porta wrap. This is the porta wrap. So the rope goes through here and around this, and then you wrap it. You can see the marks, but it friction. All right, he's getting ready to go. Is that cheating? called work smarter, not harder. All right, today we hope to have all of that down. That's a very tall tree. Yeah, we know. He ties into the tree 3 different ways, so all those who are nervous. We're making some progress on the tree. Trying to keep it away from the porch roof, the other neighbors' power lines, the street. So I started using the porta wrap for some of those bigger pieces. The porta wrap. We took one load off and dumped that, and while we were gone, Frank's making some headway on the tree. It's getting a little light on top, but that's what we need it to do. And he'll cut all this big stuff on the way back down. You had to readjust lines because we're at the tippy top. trying to figure out the best way to drop that limb. The house looks already so different without that big, beautiful tree. Hi, Mimi. Are you giving me loves? No, you're not. You're not giving me any loves at all. Are you not giving me any loves at all? My sweet girl. Yeah. Are you helping me? Are you helping me? Oh, sweet girl. Sweet girl. She seems sweet right now, but if you leave for a couple days and come back, she's not sweet. She's one angry girl. Aw. Sweet girl. Oh, I love you too.